How to edit designs in Ecwid. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit designs on your Ecwid store. So let's get into it. You will open up your myecwid.com. It will take you to your control panel. This is our main dashboard that we get. In order to edit the site design, the store design, how your products will look, what is going to be the layout, how many products you want per page, the product size, everything can be set up within our Ecwid dashboard. So you can open up your site as well if you want to, or you can do it from your dashboard here. So it's actually really easy. You're gonna just scroll down a little bit to go to the configuration right here, and the first option is design. This is where we edit the design, the look of our store on Ecwid. You can see we have a bunch of different options that allow us to customize our store. For example, the first one is image size. Image represent the products in detail. If you want to go with large images, then it will look like this. It gives you a preview. Then we have medium, and then we have small. So it depends on you. I am going with medium here. Moving on, we have the image ratio aspect. If you want it to be a square or if you want it to be a portrait, you will be able to see it. I am going with a square image. It gives you a preview right here. So it's actually really easy. Scroll down for the product card details, what the card will look like. You can see if you want it to be centered aligned or if you want it to be right aligned maybe. You can see this is what the right aligned looks like. I'm going to go with centered content. Moving on, we have some of the buttons, the product price, everything, what you want it to say. So it says show, do not show. If you do not want the buy now button, then we have price. It looks pretty good. Then we have category name position. So this is what the categories look like. If you want the display category name below the image, then it will look like this. Display category name on a mouse server like this, apparel, footwear. Okay, this is really cool. I'm gonna go with this one right here. And then we have a bunch of other options. Then we have product page layout. This is what the product page layout will look like. 2 columns, product description is on the right. If you want it to be 3 columns, you can go with this. If you want it to be 2 columns and the description on the left, then it will look like this. But I'm going with this right here. Moving on, we have navigation, image gallery thumbnails, sidebars. Similarly, we have storefront navigation and colors where I can change the color. For my website, I can change the footers, links, and then we can change the theme for our store as well. This is where you edit the design for your Ecwid store. So you can customize it according to yourself, whatever you like, and it will allow you to create your own dream store, which is very responsive and aesthetically pleasing. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.